Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and this video is not going to be about motorcycles but about one of the topics you may see on my channel about the technical stuff and technical videos. Well, this thing probably will help me fixing my motorcycles because today I'm gonna show you my presents that I have on a Christmas and New Year. And now guys, it will be some kind of unboxing. I have this Leatherman tool special design for the M16 and M14 rifle, but I will use it here. First I will show you extras. I have a liquid moly compressor oil. It's 1 liter, 1 more liter. I don't know the capacity of the oil tank there or the oil inside the engine, but I just got 2 extra liters. I guess I'll just check on my audio. It's recording. I have 2 hoses. One is for 10 meters long and 6.5 millimeters, and the other is reinforced 8 millimeters. The width and the length is 10 meters, so it's okay. These are the tools. It's the kit for the compressor, like compressor pistol, spray, special thing that we need to pump up the fuel, the blow pistol to make some blow job, also 1 more hose and 1 extra pistol just to wash something or spray something. Of course, this pistol for painting. I call it pistol because I don't know what is the name of this spraying devices in English, so I'll just call them pistols because they're looking like pistols. Okay, here we go. It's cheap, around $60. You can buy online everywhere on eBay. I bought here in Ukraine. It's metabel.com, Italian made stuff, so right from the Italy, I hope, or maybe somewhere from China, I don't know. This is the tire pump. Actually, it's quite good. Nice made. I wouldn't say it's looking cheap, but it's looking nice. This it's for the painting. I don't want to paint the doors of my garage here, so I definitely need this one. This one to spray the air inside something, to blow it, to make the blow job. This is the cap here. 1 more hose, and I don't know how much is the weight. I don't know the inside diameter. Oh, this to spray something. Very nice, thin actually. And some stuff, I don't know, for different things you might have. I'll put it back again. Come on. So it's going there again. Also guys, I have this present for myself. It's Chinese made tools controlled by USA people. Z Power. I bought it just recently. I have everything here, all the ranges, all standard or not standard, even the hammer is here, so I already used it to fix my car, so far I enjoy it. I'll use it maybe now because I wanna drain the stock oil from this compressor, the air compressor, and put the liquid moly oil there. And finally, guys, our top present for today is the compressor. As you can see, it's twin piston V-twin engine, like V-twin compressor I would say, and the tank is 50 liters, the maximum pressure is 8 bars, 356 liters per minute, 2.2 kilowatt engine, and you can use the normal electricity 220 volts and 50 hertz. The production from Mile. It's Chinese made, so China, but it's good China. You know, sometimes you can find the bad one, but people on forums, they just recommend to buy this nice box. Actually, maybe I'll use it for storage, to store something. And here we go. This is my compressor. Some instructions, probably Hurricane it's called. Hurricane. Okay. The weight is around 40 kilos, so it's quite heavy. And just remove all these extras we have here. I don't know what is that, but just the spare parts. So probably I need to remove it by my own force. Okay. So this is the compressor. The wheel should be installed here, so it's portable. This pipe is cuprum made, so it's quite good. It has some kind of radiator. It's the first time I see like this on a compressor. Quite a good feature. The outlet, probably it's direct and it's not, I don't know. Very interesting. The engine is nice. Everything looks finished. What else we have here? Oh, the wheels. So have two big wheels on the rear. So my friends, this is it. I just reassemble everything. I put the air filters on the compressor itself, and I put some wheels. Wheels are nice. It's rubber wheels, and this thing is portable now. Now we need to start it on. So I'm going to show you the full start process, but before I want to say that they put some extra air filters here. Thank you very much for this present, and also some kind of stuff for the maintenance, the piston rings, and it should be fine. So guys, let's start it. Have the simple wire here. Okay, it's open now. I just got the wire. It's a very sharp knife. And let's see if it works. I just to pull it up. it stopped. As you can see, it stopped on 8 bars, 8 kilograms per square centimeter. We have a valve here. It's working. I don't know what this thing regulates. Probably I need to read the manual, but manual itself, it's undeveloped and not so many information. There's no any information. Now I'll try to reduce the pressure and we'll see if it turns on again. Oh, so this is the main feature of this thing. It's reducing the pressure here. So here you can have the reduced pressure, and here is the maximum. So I connect to the maximum. This piston is the maximum. So probably I'll show you. This is my knife. It's quite a heavy one. You can see it's very strong. So then the pressure reduces to 6 bars. It turns on again and pumps up to 7.6. I think it's maximum, but you can regulate the maximum pressure. It's here. You just need to remove this cap, and there is some kind of screw, and you need to use the screwdriver for regulation. This nice feature I have now in my garage, and it should work for me for a very long time.